Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Debbie, this is my Crafty Dan, and I'm doing something a little bit different today. Everybody has organization problems in certain areas in their house. And for me, one of the big issues has been under my sink. So I finally took the big step and I ordered these from Amazon, and they came today. I'm going to see if I can put them together and use them for a couple of areas in my house that are absolutely horrendous. They need organization so bad. And under my kitchen sink is the worst spot. So I don't know how everybody else does it under there. And they are drawers. They pull out those two little shelves. So in the picture, you see there's one nice pipe that comes down and disappears. Under my sink, I have a hot water line coming in. I've got a cold water line coming in. I've got the drain, and then I've got the extra line that goes to my sprayer. And it's a mess under there. Every time I put stuff down there, it just gets shoved to the back. I also keep my garbage under there because I have a little dog who, it doesn't matter what I do, if it's not behind a closed door, he can find it. He's part Chihuahua. I think that's just bred in them. Anyway, I'm gonna put these units together and clean out under there. So I'll just give you a quick little peek of what I'm dealing with. So it's kind of dark under there, but this is what I've got under here. And I try to keep cleaning it out, but I can never find anything when I'm looking at it. And I also have to put this on my door because if I don't, I lose all my small bags that go in that can. And yeah, it's just a pain in the butt. So I have all kinds of things under there, but I also have all kinds of cleaning things that I'd like to keep under there. So I'm thinking that if I take this, because this side has the least amount of pipes on it, if I put my drawer system on this side and put my can over there, then maybe I can get this all straightened up, and then I'll have a place for my cleaning stuff that's out of sight as well. So I'll come back when I'm done and give you an after shot. But I mean, look at that basket. Yeah, I just shoved stuff down there. I think I'm like everybody else. This is horrible. I want something that I can deal with that's organized. This is a completely new area. I am so happy with this. So I got two of these, and I have to say it took me, the instructions weren't great. It was pictures. I would rather they just print out the steps and tell me what to do, but it was pictures. But it took me about maybe 20 minutes to put the first one together. But once I had done it, the second one went together in under 10 minutes. And I just want to show you all the stuff that was under that side of the sink before is now under this side because this fit better in here, and it didn't touch any of this. So I have one of those hoses that pulls out on my kitchen sink. So it hangs right there. And with the way everything was shoved under there, stuff kept hitting that hose and moving it, and I'd turn my kitchen tap off and my tap would slowly swing from the left to the right because of the pressure that was on that hose, and it made me crazy. But everything that was stored underneath in that bin that was falling out, that was shoved to the back, is now here, and it pulls out. So I have my garbage bags for my under sink bin. I have my scrubbing sponges. I have one of those magic eraser things. My Goo Gone. I have a squeegee there for when I'm doing my windows. And the bottom also pulls out to make it easier to get at things. And I have my oven cleaner, some disinfectant spray, extra dish soap, hand cleaner, I make my own refill for my Dawn Power Wash. So of course I have some rubbing alcohol. I've got my barkeeper's friend here, a package of rubber gloves, my large garbage bags. There's so much stuff in there, and the only thing I didn't put in was that little yellow jug. It's the only thing now that's sitting on the floor, but that is my plant fertilizer, and I didn't want it near anything else. So that's on that side. I grabbed another bucket. I started a fresh bucket for my garbage. These big kitty litter buckets fit those garbage bags from the Dollarama. Absolutely perfect. That's a nice tight fit. So my garbage is now on the left side all by itself, way over there. There's all of that floor space. There's nothing else on the floor. I've got that all washed out and clean. I'm starting from scratch. Now I could probably use a nice fresh coat of paint, but I don't have any on hand. I'd have to use the heavy duty kitchen paint for something like that, I think, because I'd want to be able to scrub it a lot. And now it's so easy to haul everything out of there, give that a vacuum, and give it a wipe down. I'm so happy I decided to do this. Like I said, there were 2 of those. I used the other one beside my washing machine, and all my laundry stuff is just sitting now in the bins, but on the floor beside my washer. And it gives me a spot, and it holds all my laundry supplies. So that's what I did with the 2 of them. Now these are a nice big size. They're bigger than I thought. So happy that I went ahead and ordered that. And I finally followed somebody else's video or Pinterest or wherever. I can't remember where I saw that storage thing. So you just give those a push in. They go all the way back. My door fits and shuts really nice and easy. I don't do much of them anymore, but when I find something that's really good to organize, I do share it. So if you haven't subscribed, do that now before you leave. You can come back and see what I'm up to next. Give the video a little thumbs up. I'll put a link to that in the description box. And thank you so much for watching, everybody. I really do appreciate it. I appreciate everybody that comes to my channel. I'll see everyone in the next one. Until then, bye-bye for now, everyone. Have a wonderful day.